Good morning, teacher. My name is Jonathan David Orante Rodas, and this is my PMA of the second unit in English. I am from Cuarto Ciencias y Letras. Adverbs of frequency. Frequency adverbs in English are the words that tell us how often an action is done. For example, in the following sentence, the word always is telling us when Manuel is going to the park. Manuel always goes to the park. Excuse me. Past simple tense. The past simple is one of the most important verbs tense in the English language, and unlike Spanish, where verbs in the past tense have very different conjugations, in English there are verbs that retain their form put in the present as past tense, and the most irregular ones have only up three forms. The past continuous tense. The past continuous describes actions or events located at time before the present was beginning in the past and which has not yet concluded at the moment of speaking. In other words, it expressed an incomplete or unfinished action from the past. Past perfect. There are various ways of expressing the the past, and how the actions took place. In English, the past perfect, sometimes also known as the past perfect simple, is one of them. This verb tense is widely used but is in everyday conversation and in publications and academic papers. Therefore, its correct use will expand your possibility of expressions. Regular verbs. Regular verbs in English make up one of the two large groups in which verbs are classified in this language. The other is that of irregular verbs. The next one, irregular verbs. Irregular verbs in English represent one of the most important challenges to learn English, since it is one of the essential grammatical elements to speak or write. Thank you for watching, teacher. Debo agradecerle, Miss, por darme la oportunidad de presentar esta tarea y de escucharme. Gracias por su tiempo. Eso fue todo.